What's up, everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of WTF Wednesday Recipes and Reacts. And today I'm going to be making a deep fried Spaghettio grilled cheese sandwich. You heard me correctly, deep fried Spaghettio grilled cheese sandwich. The inspiration for this video comes off of the crew over at Hellthy Junkfood. I'll put a link to their video in the description down below. Make sure you go check them out. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pour our SpaghettiOs into a bowl like so. Level them out a little bit. Take the lid, pop the lid on, and we're going to invert them. As you can see, it's going to go all the way towards the bottom. Then we're going to pop it in the freezer. We're going to let that freeze. Okay, so you can see right there in front of you we have our frozen SpaghettiOs. And what we're going to do next, we're going to do a classic 3-bread method. And what that is you're going to take it, you're going to dip it in some flour, and get it nice and coated in the flour. Shit. Pardon my language. I'm supposed to do this with 2 hands, but I'm just totally screwing this up right now. Alright. Now we're going to do it in some egg. Get that all nice and coated. Probably should have picked a better vessel for my egg, but that's just not working the way I need it to. But we got it going now. There we go. Yeah. Just gonna get the sides. Get all that nice and done. And what's going on here is just kind of creating a paste on everything, which is what it's supposed to do. Move the flour out the way. And now, pop it in some breadcrumbs. Now I season these breadcrumbs up with a little garlic and onion powder. Give it a little flavor. In the end, this is what your breaded SpaghettiO should look like. Next, we're going to pop this bad boy into a deep fryer. We're going to get it all nice and golden brown. Okay, so we've preheated our deep fryer up to 350 degrees. We're going to slowly lower that in. We're going to let that cook until it is a nice golden brown. We're going to cover that up and let it do its thing. Okay, so it's now time to build our sandwich. I've already pre-buttered a couple of slices of bread. I'm going to lay that down. Get a slice of Gouda, a slice of American, we're going to take our deep fried SpaghettiOs, which unfortunately is starting to fall the hell apart. Another slice of American, and another slice of Gouda. And then the other piece of bread. Flipping this thing over one-handed is going to be a challenge, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. So, here we go. Got nice color, but the damn thing is falling the hell apart. So we're going to try and go back and fix this. This is not working out to my advantage. So here we have our deep fried Spaghettio grilled cheese sandwich. Didn't quite turn out anywhere near as close as I was hoping it would, but we're still going to give it a try anyway. Got a good color on it. Don't taste too bad either. Not bad. Interesting. Not bad. It's not something I make on a regular basis, but it's pretty good. I think the toast and the cheese and whatnot, and the SpaghettiOs, all works well together. Well, that's it for this episode of WTF Wednesday's Recipes and React. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe on my page. Make sure you go check out Healthy Junk Food for the inspiration behind this sandwich, and I'll see you later.